Hello everyone. Today we will do preposition. As the title itself suggests, pre means which comes before, position means the status. So preposition means it is a word which is placed before a noun or a pronoun to show their relation. As for example, there is a cow in the field. In this sentence, we will see that it is showing relation between two things. A cow in the field. Cow and field. In sentence 2, he is fond of tea. He is fond of tea. In this sentence, of shows the relation between an attribute expressed by adjective fond and tea. In sentence 3, we will see that the word, the cat jumped off the table. The cat jumped off the table. In this sentence, we will see that off shows the relation between the cat who jumped and the chair. So, we can say that these prepositions are mainly of three types. They are simple prepositions, compound prepositions and phrasal prepositions. Simple prepositions means prepositions like at, by, for, from, in, of, on, out, through, till, with, etc. And compound prepositions are generally formed by prefixing a prepositional, usually a or by, to a noun, an adjective or an adverb. As for example, above, across, along, amidst, among, around, before, behind, below, beneath, beside, between, beyond, inside, outside, underneath, within, etc. Then comes the phrasal prepositions, means the groups of words used with the force of a single preposition, and the words like according to, along with, away from, because of, by means of, by way of, for the sake of, in accordance with, in addition to, on behalf of, in case of, in course of, in favor of, in front of, in order to, in place of, in spite of, instead of, on account of, owing to, etc. So, these are some of the prepositions which can be easily understood. To further analyze the relations expressed by the preposition, we can consider them in the following manner. Some of them are common relations indicated by the preposition, as for example, place. He ran across the road. He ran across. So the preposition across shows the relation between he and the road. Went about the world. He went about the world. She leaned against a wall. The place. Again, he fell among thieves. They quarreled among themselves. He stood before the door. She stood behind the curtain. So these are all places. The preposition showing places. She sat beside me. He fell into a ditch. Calcutta is on the highway. This came to the end of the road. Put pen to paper. He travelled towards Nasik. The dog lay under the table. He climbed up the ladder. So these are all places. Now comes the preposition which shows time. As for example, she arrived before me. He went after his death. By 3 o'clock, all will be here. During the whole day, nobody came. He lived here for many years. Since yesterday, he has been playing. He lived under the Mughals. Last through the night, throughout the year, he worked very hard. Wait till tomorrow. There are 10 minutes to 12. He will return towards evening. Wait until he arrives. He rises with the sun. So these are prepositions which express time. Then comes prepositions which express manner. As for example, dying by inches. The soldiers fought with courage. He worked with enthusiasm. He won with ease. Then comes cause or reason. He died of fear. Yeah, he died of fear. They labored for the good of humanity. The very place for a picnic. He did it for our benefit. Does it rain throughout the year? He retreated through fear of an ambush.